I just purchased a HP DeskJet 5275 printer for my home use. I was using an older model at my home. It was 3830, and I like that model, so I went ahead and purchased 5275. Let's go ahead and unbox this printer and see what's inside. We have some manuals, two startup cartridges, a power cord, and the USB cable. This printer uses HP 680 cartridges. This printer supports dual Wi-Fi and it is an MFP. It can do fax. It has a touchscreen. It has an ADF automatic document feeder, and it supports duplex printing. This is the ADF. You can see the scanner bed here. And you can see the paper output tray and the paper input tray. And you can adjust the size of the paper as you require. And you can see there is only a power button and a touch screen. Let's configure the printer. Says that I have to configure the printer using the app. Okay guys, see you in the next video.